Giveaway time guys, here welcome to form follows function, and today we come with the giveaway notification. And today in this giveaway you will get the exclusive PhD file. Yes, you will get these exclusive PhD file where you will get each and every layer of the object are different. You can see here the trees is different layer, the people in different layer, the chairperson is in different layer, the clouds, the grass and all the trees are in different layers. You can use them in your drawings to make them advanced. And the best thing is not only a single PhD file, you will get the two more PhD files, means total you will get three PhD files where you will get the different layers, people, houses for the backgrounds or for the front rows. Yes, these are exclusive PhD file guys. If you want these all the PhD files to use in your drawings, then what you have to do, let's see. And not only this, there will be three winners and they will be selected on their lucky numbers which they upload on their history. Win this PhD giveaway. We're gonna come with more giveaway soon and where you will get free Book My Show vouchers. All the best guys, and do share it with your friends. Subscribe us now.